whitish type rocks, very small. They may have come from South Ray. Try one more scoop, John. Okay. There's one right under there. It's like a good bet. And you can get a bunch of stuff with this ring. See, if this was from South Ray. Hey, look at that. All of those are rounded. I know it. Charlie points at the different characteristic of these rocks that we're just getting right now, and maybe that's the key, is they're more rounded than the South Ray crater rocks are. There's a few angler in there, but these are mostly rounded, and I see some little black glass on one, but they're mostly rounded, whitish rocks covered with dust, of course. Here's a couple of good ones.
Okay, that sounds real good.
Okay. That's bank 334, Tony.
Okay, 334.
Houston, you want us to go sample a rim of this thing again, some more? They want us to get a glass-coated one, and there's a good one right up on the...
Okay,
go over and get it. Okay.
Did you get your soil there?
Do what? Huh?
Okay, you got the soil there?
Keep them sampling inside the rim.
You want to continue sampling
No, we
inside
didn't.
the rim?
I'll get a scoop full.
Okay, and you're doing so well inside the rim there. We'd kind of like you to stay inside the rim and just kind of work around and see what you can find.
Okay.
You continue right.
Let me get some soil here.
No, documented sampling, not right.
Wait a minute, Charlie. This ain't... You really feel like you're on the verge of instability, don't you? Yeah.
Probably only because you are.
I got your gloves dirty. There's 100 kilos. Okay, that's 100 kilos is going in bag 402.
Okay, bag 402.
Hope you're able to document it with a TV because we stepped all over it.
Fly experiments?
Tony, these after pictures are going to be...
Yeah,
on this kind of terrain,
we've told them
you're
about
bouncing
the
so
LPM,
much, trying to keep you balanced, that you just sort of obliterate whatever you picked up, the place you picked it up.
Okay. When you dig down here, you're not getting any of that white soil, is that right?
If you look at the little bar.
That's correct, we're not.
Yeah, no, I got it.
I kicked some of it away to see just how...
Okay, maybe I
Hey, John, yeah, here's an old rounded rock that's fractured and badly beat up. Let's get that one. Can you give me the get your?
That's what we're looking for, Charlie.
Look, Charlie. I was going to say take a picture of that. This no mine is worthless. It's against the stops. That one right there? Yeah, that one right there. Okay, I'll get a cross sun. That's all we're gonna be able to get. Well, it's sort of an up sun. Man, I feel like I'm gonna shoot these at 5.6, Houston. Stereo pair, up sun. You can I get the location, all right? I don't work at that, John.
Okay, we can get the location off the TV.
Okay. Was an old rock, wasn't it? Fun. It crumbled to pieces. That was fruitless there. Get that right there. I am. I'm trying to get up slope on it. Here, hand me the rake. I can get it. Careful, Charlie. There we go.
experiments? Go ahead.
Uh-oh.
Okay, we got a question there.
Okay, I got it.
Kind of wonder if they can see.
Okay, and the white rock that you picked up, the one you just had here, can you see any crystals in it?
Yes, sir, I sure can. It's a bluish crystal, a couple of millimeter size. Bluish. Well, that's what it looked, grayish maybe. And it's got one corner of it's got a glass ran on it about half a centimeter thick.
Okay, we copy that.
It doesn't look like a breccia, Tony. It looks like a crystalline rock. And it's got a lot of, it's fine-grained, it seems to be a fine-grained crystalline rock anyway, the part that we can see. The particles in it are millimeter size, though, and I see some millimeter size sparklies flashing at me. That's going in bag 403.
Okay, 403.
Hey, John, let's keep that in. I'm having about to strike out on this rake here. I can't, I get a couple of little ones each time, but, okay, about it. Want to move on around over there about 10 feet or so? Okay. Pick a spot. I'll follow in your tracks. You're sliding downhill about 2 inches every time you... I can't get going here. Look at that glass-covered one right there, John. Okay, let's get it, Charlie. Okay. Okay, I'll back off and get the... cross sun here. Yeah, I'm going to have to get enough sun here or else do a lot of work. It's going to be just one rock in one bag here. Tony, we just picked you up a glass rind rock. At least a quarter of it's got glass on it, and it's so dust covered that it defies description. Defies description. 404.
Okay, bag 404.
Y'all got us on the big eye?
We sure do.
Yeah, they do. Close the top, Charlie. Okay. Let me try a rake here. Let me get an after. Get an after, Charlie. Okay. Got it. Here, let me rake up here. Here's some, these are either clods or...
Tell me, Flight. Go ahead, Flight. Could I take a look at your plus consumable?
Be careful, Charlie.
64.
Phone. That was a whitish rock. That one probably came from South Ray. Wait a minute. Oh, here's some good ones. Dusty ones.
Yeah, it sure looks like a good thing we had that rake along.
Little rocks,
Go ahead, John.
There's a round one, Charlie. Hey, that's a great one, John. There's a good rock right there. I don't think this is going to be a simple problem, even after you...
We concur, John.
You get the rock back because there's it's 405.
Okay.
Going back 405. That's a big round rock that's dust covered. I see white streaks through it, and I can't tell from the glass showing through that I can see whether it. I don't know whether I see any glass on it or not, but it's a friable white rock, and it's rounded.
Okay, we copy that.
Back 405 with Charlie's rake sample.
Okay.
You see, because there's a doggone many craters around here.
Right, understand. We'd like you to find the steepest slopes that you can work on there and dig as deep as you can with that rake.
The other points are based upon the program we have in the
Let me do that, Charlie.
We're on it right now, babe. I'll tell you.
Okay, can you dig into the face of the slope a bit?
Charlie, let me do that. Okay. I'll swap with you. Hold a moment. Okay, watch it now. Hey, what about right up here, John? Here's the steep part. Or right over there where we walked from. Where you going? On a steep slope. Okay, right to your left is a good one. Right where we've been. Steepest is closest to the rim. That's right. Right up there.
Go ahead. Yeah, we don't recommend changing the clock at this time.
Right. And you don't make much headway.
Okay, experiments, flight. Go ahead. We got about, what looks like about 15 minutes here, 14 minutes. And we need to do the LPM, right? It's about time to
get on. Great job.
Okay, why don't we have Charlie come up and work on the rim while John does that?
Yeah, that's... Oh, okay.
Okay, Tony, he's going vertically into the wall about a foot, and it all looks the same.
Yeah, we can get him up some level ground.
Occasionally you see a white splotch.
Okay. Will the rake pull out any rocks in there? Take a rake sample down in the hole there.
Just a minute. Hey, John, I'll tell you what. Let me get up slope. Who out of the sheriff, Charlie? I can't see it. Okay, there you go. Whoop! Yes. One thing about being on a 20-degree slope, you can get out on your knees. I think that's going to be the name of the game till we get a... Looks like just indurated regolith, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Don't see any rocks. Here, let me do this. There's one. Yeah. There's some. Okay. Yeah, they're rocks, all right. Running back 335, 3 little ones, Tony.
Okay, we copy that.
They're clods. And they're clods, not rocks.
Okay.
But anyway, 335. Did I say 331, 335?
You said 335.
Let me try. Here you go.
Oh, you think the rock concentration near the surface is a lag surface then?
Apparently so, because in this wall here, we're not getting a thing.
Okay, why don't you take a soil right there, fill up a soil bag.
Okay, and there's less soil here, less rocks here than on the other side of the crater. The side towards the rover is, this could be a south, of course that's down slope too. Now there are 2 rocks right there. Hey Charlie, I gotta put this in your bag before I can get it. Okay.
And we're gonna have to press on after this sample.
Yeah, okay. 20 minutes. back to the rover. Oh, you knew that, don't you? Yeah. Get you soil. They want a soil bag full. Hate to waste a bag on that one, but yeah. Okay, well, let's put the soil in there with it. Okay. Bag 406 will have one rock in it and a soil sample from this low area.
Okay, sounds good.
Let's fill up the bag. Okay. And Tony, a lot of this soil is coming out from about 6 inches down.
Okay.
Out of this crater. You know, Johnny, I think we got a running start straight at the rover. We make it up the other side.
Let's go the other way.
Let's go around the rim. Okay.
Okay, the plan back at the rover now is we'd like John to take an LPM measurement, and Charlie, if you could sample around the rim there near the rover, and take both angular and round, whatever you find.
Okay, sure will. Really want it? Okay.
Yeah, we'd like an LPM. Incidentally, your magnetic field there is about 130 gammas back at the LSM.
How is it at the site measurement? Does it agree with that?
Okay, I believe it was about 20 gammas less, something like 110 gammas, cleansing pretty steeply.
Hey, John, it's easier to go straight across. That was fun. Well, I haven't had any trouble. Okay. I have a tough time walking up there on the side. I got big feet today, Charlie. Awesome. Of course, 45 feet on an LPM rig. Don't put me over the edge here. I'm going to go out at right angles to the rover around this crater rim for this measurement, Houston. It may not be exactly 45 feet, but it'll be close.
Okay, that sounds good, John. And Charlie, we'd like some fist-sized samples here.
Okay, we got a ton of them. We'll get them for you.
Good show.
Okay. Lots of luck with that LPM.
See, they haven't taken a pan.
No, they haven't. Okay.
And John, why don't you take a pan when you document the location of that LPM tripod? That'll take care of our pan.
That's a good idea. All right, fine. Good hit. And I already took one pan. Now they want another one. Okay.
No, we don't want to.
Okay, the read switch is going on. Not the read switch, the on switch, the power switch. Mark.
Okay, we got it. Charlie, where did you take your pan from?
Flight experiments?
On the south rim of that crater.
Okay, disregard a minute.
Okay.
About 10 feet to the 4 o'clock position of the rover.
Okay, John, I guess we won't need a pan if you can just get the LPM.
All right.
Okay, John, a minute.
Wait a minute, I'm deploying it.
No, I thought you gave a mark. All right, understand.
Yeah, I did. Turn it on. I got it out to the white line now.
Okay.
Tony, I'm sampling right in front of the rover. 10 feet, and I got a fist-sized rock out here.
Okay.
It's captured in the old tongs.
And
was captured in the old tongs. Okay, that's aligned perfectly. Here we go. Okay, now start your minute, Tony.
okay, will do.
Okay, that rock is going in 336. It's a rounded rock and it's dusty, and all I can see is some streaks on it, Tony. White streaks.
Okay.
Hey, John, could you throw me the bag that's under your seat? I get it. I get it. How about you? I'm gonna knock it. Well, I'll get it. It's under my seat? I thought so. The one that we were.
Okay, John, Mark.
No, it's not there. It's under my seat. Excuse me. Okay, the read switch is going on. 563 415 3. Wait a minute. 563 415 356. 570 424 357. 571 425 357. Off. Okay, the power switch is coming off.
Okay, fine.
Copied all those lights.
Did you get those, Tony?
We sure did.
Did you get those? I forgot to ask you. Okay.
And visors down.
The moose. Visors down. Hey, Charlie, where I tripped over here is a lot of white rock.
Could we have
I got some over here, too.
back there?
Okay, we'll try to fight Palmer to do it. Okay.
Boy, I'm going to grab that one. That's a fresh, sharp white rock, Houston, that I have never seen the like of. Very angular. Ouch. Boy, Charlie, look at this rock. That has got to be planets. Whereabouts did you find it, John? Right down there in that hole with all that white rock. Look at these little crystals in it. Oh, that couldn't be. A big white angular rock. And it's, but all the crystals in it are very small. Yeah, that is a crystalline rock. We're going to get that one. That's the first one I've seen here that I really believe is a crystalline rock, Houston. Want to put it in a padded bag?
Outstanding.
We have to break it in two. Oh.
No, we don't need that in a padded bag.
It's about 6 centimeters, 12 centimeters long, and it's got a head on it like it looks like the head of maybe a viper or diamondback. To lay it down flat, don't have any trouble recognizing it. And it's white, and when I hold it up to the sun, it has a greenish cast to it, a greenish bluish cast.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. And I see some striations in it too. They may be my imagination. Okay, Tony, I've got 2 more documented samples in bag 33, or 2 more rocks documented in 337.
Okay, 337. And we're going to have to press on here.
Putting this rock under your seat. Come in. Okay, John.
Flight Inco.
Go.
Yeah, we'd like to brush the yellow crew radiators before we leave this stop.
Come in, I would do that.
You think they're getting pretty dusty at the stops?
It appears to. It's heating up a little faster than we expected at the stop.
Okay.
I don't blame that pitch meter for falling down. Man, I've fallen down twice. Not badly. The rover wheels are covered with dust, John.
And John, do you have a bag number for your white rod? Or have you collected it yet?
Okay, fly experiment. Go.
I made a gram
station
sample out of it,
to be
Okay.
as normal as
too big for a bag, wasn't it, John? Yeah, it was too big for a bag.
Okay.
and the navigation
It's,
number would give them, get them in the general area. All right.
Amazing how you can trip over, how you can be going along and trip over a rock, and I'm one of these guys that always looks down, and it's still seem to be able to trip over them going forward.
Capcom, we'll want to brush the crew mirrors again here before we leave. Now, I'm sure he's doing a good job of it. It's just that moving around there.
Hey, Tony,
There's dust all over.
the samples are complete here. I'm leaving with frame count number... Looks like about 170, Tony. I better change mags before we start out here, over.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, and while you're up there, you might adjust the DAC, maybe you can get it running.
I already did, and it's running. It'll be running.
Okay, good show.
John? Yes, sir. That is the best sample we got. I know it. I'll tell you. That is a crystalline rock if I've ever seen a crystalline rock. First one today. Yeah. At least the first one you could say was one, maybe. That is a great rock. Okay, John, when you get around there, could you give me a film mag, black and white?
Okay. I guess we could call that one the Great Gun.
Oh, come on. It's not very big, but it's just a nice rock.
Okay.
Yeah, it was made it looks like it's about 3 days old. So it must be on the order of 4 billion. Which one you want, Charlie? Any black and white, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, the card I just showed you, with the
Wrong pocket.
They've added blocky crater in. Okay. But they
Any black and white. Yeah, ain't but one. Magazine eye.
Okay,
You got up a roll of black and white? Yeah. 170. Okay. Uh-oh. I got it. Here you go. silver box. This one runs. I got dust on it. Wait, man. Oh, we got the... Breaker too. Yeah.
Okay, we can see it works.
Okay, Tony, magazine. Yeah, magazine India.
Okay.
And starting with frame count number, about number 3, I guess I fired off a couple.
Okay.
Okay, we're ready to press here.
Okay, and just to make sure you didn't get any dust on that lacroix while you're working around there, we would like you to brush it off again. We're really heating up on that.
It's clean.
Okay.
It is clean. It's clean.
Okay,
Honest.
fine. That's
Okay, that's okay.
And let's see.
Want to shut it
Don't
down
forget
for a
the
while?
amps. The switch in the amp position instead of volts on the rover.
No, that's all right. And Charlie, on your LRV readouts, we won't be needing volts, so why don't we just leave that switch in amps?
Okay. Got it in amps.
Okay.
Okay, it's dusted. Going downhill, it doesn't get near as much dust on it as it did coming up. For some reason.
Copy, Blake.
Maybe that's because it was 4 kilometers one way and half of one the other. That's probably the reason. Hope I can get back in this beauty here now.
And not forgetting to set
You're
up
in.
the crew here, right?
Okay, we've got the
Don't do anything with it.
magnetometer reading. Station 5 there is 125 gamma down. The ALSJ site was 230 gamma, up. The ALSJ site was 230 gamma down, and Spook was 180 down. Hey, John, do you have switch position 1?
Now, I'm going to 1 right now.
Okay, good show.
TV. What you doing there, Charlie? What this rock's made out of? I'm trying to get a fresh surface. I wouldn't do that. Not worth doing. Can't help you there. They're all there.
Thank you much there, John.
Man, that is some wrong. That matrix there is pure white, John, with black phenocryst in it. It might be classed, it might be a breccia. And it's got some lath-like crystals in it. Look at that. That's the one I'm talking about. See, I just broke that open. Yeah, that's a 2-rock breccia. Let me get a bigger piece of it, Charlie. I think, okay, I don't know. You can't whack it off. Too hard to whack? Yeah, I whacked about 5 times as hard as I could. Okay, Houston, it has a white matrix with the square class and the elongate class in it.
Okay, sounds good.
That might be, and it's round, and it's rounded too.
Very good. We understand it's 2-rock
Looks like
breccia.
some more of them right down here, John, that are sample. That's correct. That are sample size. Okay, let's get some of those. We only got 20 minutes here. I'll start to pan. Okay.
And John, we'll need an EMU check.
Okay, I'm reading 385. No flags. Every time I read my oxygen gauge, I get an earful of orange juice. Yeah, mine too. 58%. And I'm on between intermediate and minimum coolant.
Okay, we copy.
Okay, pan's complete, Tony.
Very good.
Agree to what we see, Fly.
I'll grab the no-mine, John. How about a set of tongs and a shovel? That ought to be good. Think that ought to work? Yeah. Okay, probably save us
We're
some
getting
energy.
a little bit down on the timeline, so we really ought to hold
I think we might need it.
departure time here.
Guess
we're
what?
Down about 15 minutes.
Look at that.
So
Where are the
we need to
wheels?
leave here at 3:47.
It is? Yeah. That's the no-mine stick. See the legs? They're still in the bag. Houston, you got any recommendations there?
Yeah, I think you ought to just use your scoop or something for a no-mon.
See what happened?
We can't see it now, but I understand exactly what you mean.
We can pull it. I got the wine, and the legs stayed in the bag. Hey, give me a shovel, John. We can use a scoop. Okay, well, we can use a shovel. Where do you want to go? I don't care. Anywhere is fine. This looks like here's a nice little crack one right there. Yep. He's an angler. There's some angler and rounded rocks right there.
Just stick anything in the picture for scale. All we'll lose is a vertical.
Okay. Okay. Well, you can stick the tongs in there, John. Good. It'll go in the ground. I tried that a minute ago. It worked great. I don't see why I'm doing a down sun. I'll do it. Hey, Tony, can you get a locator from the TV on this sample?
Sure can. We've got it now.
Just pan by. Okay, thank you. Bag 407, it was some soil,
Experiment
some
flight.
dirt, a rounded rock.
Go ahead.
But wait a minute, Charlie, let me get
just
it after
looked
that.
at the plus times here. We're going to change the clocks to give us plus 20 minutes on the EVA.
Plus 20 minutes?
Right.
Let's grab this angular one there.
Good for
All right.
plus 20.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll keep that in mind. We'll try not to use it all right
No,
now.
now, Charlie, let me get it with a tong. Leaning on that shovel is easy. Might be the same kind, John. You picked up the way there. The sack there. Oh. Maybe you can. It's partially sacked. There we go. You got it. Okay, get the answer. Got it. 408 Houston. Get the bag number. I'll swap you once you get a soil sample. Okay, that's a good idea.
Okay, and you've got about 10 minutes left before we'll have to leave.
Okay. Okay, maybe we could go to one more area, and so we won't salt it with it. This is just one broken up block here.
Good plan. Hey, you fellas are always thinking.
Now, we try to please. 338 is the soil sample.
Okay.
And it's spinning up that bag. It really works great.
EVA, do you copy?
Anything down under there, John? No. This is the rim of it. It's very soft. I don't have any trouble digging down with a shovel. Solid gray all the way. Solid gray all the way down. I see no layering.
Okay.
Let me put this in your bag. Now, how about up on the upper rim there? This might have been a secondary. Put that right over there, Charlie. It's a really a unique white looking something or other. Yeah. Let's see what that is. I think it's soil. Well, you want to get some of it? It's an unusual soil if it is. Yeah, it might have been just a little, yeah, it looks like a little teeny impact, doesn't it? Okay, let's get a quick one and then go on up here and get some of these blocks on the upper rim. Okay. Okay, there's F11. Okay. It's a down sun. Turn around and get a locator. Boy, this 1/6 gravity is so neat. Got your bag coming, John.
Box updated flag.
Okay.
Hey, Tony, what we're picking up is a white, it looks like a little patch of indurated regolith, and it's whitish in color.
Okay, we copy.
Okay, let's get a little bit more of the white, John. They got most of it. It was just on the end of the scoop. Okay. There's a good, oh, that's great. Orange juice is deep. I got it? Yeah, it's got it. I'll get you after. I get it, Charlie. Okay. Yeah, that's in bag. That soil sample's in 339, Tony.
Okay, 339.
And I'm through frame count 106 now.
Okay, 106.
Hey, we can get a chance to get up another sample. Thanks.
Okay, you've got about time for just one more.
Okay. Okay. Anchor or beef off that rock. Here's an old rounded one right here, John, with the white spot in it. I don't think. Here's a real angular one right over here. It's probably out of a.
Light experiments.
Let's get this rounded one, Charlie.
Okay.
Okay.
20 minutes after we arrived.
Okay.
3
I
plus
agree.
4, 7. Gotcha. Understand.
Down sun here. Got it. Wait a minute. Get a locator. Okay. Squeeze that thing. Good show. In bag 409, Houston, and it's so dust covered, I'm unable to describe it. Oh, it's a white, sub-rounded rock, and I can't distinguish any crystalline structure in it. It's going in bag 409.
Okay, and you've got 5 minutes here.
I'll put that in mind. Yours is full.
Okay. Yours is getting full too. We got to change out bags.
Whoops.
My bag is full.
Almost.
Yeah, you fellas have been really scooping them up there.
Hey, John, bring me the scooper, man. Let me whack this thing right here. It's so tempting, I can't pass it up. All right, there's a good place to whack. Something to lean on. Thank you.
Oh, that's fun. You did it. Right, beautiful. Hey, that's a great rock. Look at that. I'm sorry we didn't get it documented before, Tony, but that is a good sample. I think it's a crystal rock. Just a minute.
Okay, let's go ahead and document it now. We'll get the location of the one that's still in place. It didn't look like it moved.
No, he didn't move anything there. You're going to do an up sun on this document.
Okay, I'll get a cross sun here. It's a grayish, bluish rock, Tony, in the matrix with some white clast in it.
Oh, let me get it with this. Ain't any trouble, John. The matrix is so fine-grained, I can't tell, Tony, but it's definitely got a blue cast to it, and there are inclusions of a whitish, it looked like flags to me.
Okay, we copy that. Sounds great.
Yeah.
We're going to have to move out.
Okay. Yeah, and needle-like black crystals in it, too.
Yeah.
I see one in there that's millimeter wide by 3 millimeters long, and some other needle-like crystals in it.
Here's another piece. Came off the same rock.
It has this white glass in it. It's got to be a breccia, Charlie.
Think so? Yeah. They don't really look like.
That's going in bag 410.
Okay, 410.
This ought to be the last thing we do here.
Okay. Tony, when you say 5 minutes, does that mean that we be on the rover moving?
Okay, that's the rolling time. It's time to load up right now.
Okay. Yours hooked too, John. Hey, get it unhooked.
Well, I don't know.
You get it? Your training bags never did hook.
I know it. Now,
That piece never done hooked.
okay. I'll put this up.
Okay.
You go get the TV.
Boy, this is a neat way to travel.
Isn't it great? I like to skip along.
Not me, boy.
Charlie, you're pure great.
Okay. Skip.
Or whatever you call it.
Okay.
I can't get my left leg in front of me. Now, the docs never knew.
Fool him again.
Okay, we're going mode switch to 1.
Okay.
I knew it would go come in handy someday.
What are you doing?
Stand by.
Tell you later.
Hey, yeah, I need to get a double cord, too.
Okay.
Thank you, John.
Yeah. Charlie? Yeah, if I could ever get the top open on those things. Okay, there we go. There's an upper and a lower. Closed again. Okay. What did he say? Didn't he call you for something, John? What did you say, Tony? Oh, he said thank you. How you read, Houston?
You sound good, Charlie.
Okay, thank you. There's a boulder over here we can flip. Yeah. See it? That's when, that one off to your right down there. I think we could turn that one over. Yeah, I think you're right. I think we could turn that one over, Charlie. How about samples of those two, that white one and that big one on the other side over there? Okay. Get a chance. Can I help you with a double core? No, go ahead and what you gotta do. Okay, well, I can get a rake soil here while you're doing that, okay? Okay, I'll have to, okay, fine, I'll just take the scoop off. Can you do that rake soil by yourself, you say? Yeah. Okay. Think so. Okay. Rake soil away from the boulders.
I'm just a little curious, how near are you to the edge of this ray?
Goes in both directions as far as we can see. That's right.
Okay, we can forget that one sample off the ray.
Really, the whole area. Yeah. Only the whole area just covered with these rocks.
Yeah, it sure looks that way.
Have you seen the rocks on the... Okay, that's what they all are.
Okay, I guess we're just looking for a variety then in the boulder protocol.
Okay, we can give you that, I'll tell you. There's two big boulders at 12 o'clock that are going to be great sampling. One of them's rounded, but the biggest, and the other one is a white, and it's black. The other one is white, and it's very sharp, very angular.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, I pushed the core in, double core in, Tony, about almost up to the second, about halfway up to first.
Flight experiment.
Charlie, I get a locator on you,
Yeah,
and
one
a down
thing
sub,
that
too.
I guess might
Okay,
help us
great.
that we can just ask them about is if they still,
7 feet.
if they lost rear wheel steering at the same time, they thought they lost the rear drive. It might help us. What we're at is in the mal procedure, symptom 6. That's page 7. And block 3, it's on the second page.
There, Charlie. Going in too well. Pretty hard around here.
That's all right. I do that all the time. Usually I have my thumb in the way.
flight science.
Go ahead.
Looks like he hit a rock. I'm going to have him pull it out of tally some other place.
Okay.
Now I'm going to have to go get the tongs.
Yeah, looks like a good plan.
Hammer. Tony, I don't think the double... Yeah, Tony, I don't think the double core is going to go in. Do you want me to pull it out, shake it out, and try another place? I think I hit a rock.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we'd sure like you to do that.
All at once. Okay. It just that one just stopped all at once, so I think I did hit a rock.
Okay.
Okay, Houston.
And John, on the LRV, do you know if you lost the rear steering as well as the drive?
No, because I'm unable to see behind me.
Okay, you couldn't tell from
Okay.
drive. Okay.
Give it a little test drive, John. Yeah. Wasn't getting any. I wasn't getting hardly any amps out of the rear. I was getting some, so maybe that's an indication that I had rear steering.
Okay, except a while ago we had a couple of amps even at 0.
Out of 5 scoops, I've got about
Okay, flight, we copied that.
10 rock frags, a couple of which are, one of which is some interesting black glass along the sides of it, another which is covered with black glass, and but in the most there's not much of that material around here. That's going into bag 411.
Okay, bag 411.
As far as where you're away from boulders, there's hardly anything but soil. Very few rocks, in other words.
Understand.
Ah, you dog. Take a break.
Good idea.
Yeah, Charlie, slow down. Man, there are little glass beads all over the place here, John. And little, places where little white rocks seem to have hit. I'll get a soil sample here.